I'm going to skip all the formalities. We're kind of smart for all this. In here, I don't know if you can see that. See that part that's sliding back and forth? I can't get that out. That's what's stopping me from my car. I can lift up. I am going to simply see if I could put my fingers behind this. In here is going to be a part they need to get out. And it's not going to be easy. I want to make sure that I am pushing down on the button. The hardest part for me is it's cold outside. And I got to work inside the car. I don't have light. And I don't see the plastic anywhere in there. Let me open up the door so maybe some more light can come in there. This is the piece that came out. This is the old one. It's very, very brittle. This is a spring. It goes over here. This knob faces down. There is oil or grease already from the company. It's an $11 part that slides in like so. I don't want to really force this in because I know this is going to break. But that hooks on here, prevents it from coming out. So I want to make sure everything goes in there nice and properly. It's supposed to be a few minutes job at the place. And it's not going to work that easy. That's it. I'm in. Almost. This is broken here. Been broken. And I may want to just put this into park and try that again. Now, the problem with this is the shift button went all the way up in the air. And that's why I'm having difficulty getting this on. So if I can get that shift button to go down some, this will slide in. So can I put a tool in there to press it in? I don't think so. So I am having such great difficulty. If I put it into park, it won't work. I got it to be in the in position by simply going up and down. And that is the trick right now, to slide this in. So now this will slide in, lock into place, and done. That is very simple to do, and that is the key trick in getting this on there. I hope this was very helpful to somebody out there that has this problem. You can order this from any of the Honda dealers. You could get the chrome in there, or you could get the original here. There's no difference in the color, and there you go. I used myself some epoxy, but as soon as I start to bend this, you can see it breaking. Cheap plastic. Ladies and gentlemen, I didn't want to spend all that time at the dealer, and that's why I went out and I spent $11.06 for a part. Why $11.06? I have no idea. But people are going to be asking me now what part I've used. Oh, I could read this to you. I could see it through the paper. It's known as 54132 hyphen T as in Tom, L as in Larry, A as in Apple, hyphen A as in Apple, 62, Z is zebra, B is in boy. Well, actually, A is alpha, B is beta, and so forth. So, for 20 bucks, 5 minutes of your time, more like 10 minutes, I got the job done. Remember, the trick is getting that up and down, that white little piece to lock in the down position. Go forward and go back a little, and it will lock into play. On that note, thank you very much for viewing, and have a great day. Don't forget to rate, comment, show that love. I got to get my break off. Have a great day.